Hi everyone! In this video, you're going to find out if the Google Project Management Certificate is worth it. My name is Lauren, and this channel is all about showing you how to become a highly paid IT pro fast. Let's get started. The Google Project Management Certificate is an entry-level certificate designed by Google for those who want to start their career as a project manager without any prior experience or related degree. Google launched this certification to cater to the increasing demand for project managers. The Burning Glass Labor Insight Survey states that there are about 475,100 U.S. job openings in project management, with a $59,000 average entry-level salary. This claim is backed by many other sources. According to the Talent Gap report published by PMI in June 2021, the world would need close to 25 million new project managers by 2030. As companies race to adopt new technologies like cloud, AI, machine learning, and automation, the demand for skilled project managers who can lead and get things done is set to grow. The Google Project Management Certificate addresses modern project management concepts, tools, and technologies. You will learn Agile project management concepts, all about Scrum project management framework, problem solving in project management, different phases of project management, risk management, managing stakeholders, and much more. Google partnered with Coursera for this certification. The certification consists of 6 modules and begins by building a strong theoretical foundation of project management concepts and advances to teach you specific tools and technologies to start, manage, execute, and deliver successful projects. From project management lifecycle to project initiation, from using RACI charts to quantify and convey responsibilities to team members, to estimating time and cost budgets, you will learn a lot in these modules. According to Google, you can complete the certification by studying just under 10 hours per week. Coursera estimates that the Google Project Management Certification can be completed in less than 6 months of part-time study. Coursera charges about $39 per month, which means you can complete this certificate for about $300. The certification has a special focus on IT and software project management, and the curriculum was developed by Google employees with many years of experience in project and program management. The certification covers Scrum project management skills in detail. Scrum is a framework in Agile project management. The Google Project Management Certification allocates a lot of content to Scrum and Agile because these skills are in high demand. According to a report by Burning Glass, there were 65,915 job postings for Agile Scrum Master in the US over the last 12 months. Companies are hungry for skilled project managers who are great people managers and have a strong grasp of technical concepts. According to the Robert Half 2021 salary report, the average salary for an entry-level project manager is $96,000 US, while experienced project managers can earn an average salary of about $161,000. Skills measured by the Google Project Management Certificate. Let's look at each module of the course and its related content. Foundations of Project Management. Define project management. Project management lifecycle. Project management methodologies and approaches. And understand change management. Project initiation. Starting a successful project. Importance of project initiation phase. Components of the project initiation phase. Creating project goals and deliverables. Defining project scope, and using RACI charts to define project responsibilities. Project planning, putting it all together. Project milestones and how to set them. Time estimates and budget, and using different tools to build a project plan and risk management plan. Project execution, running the project. Tracking changes in project management. Communicating changes. Project quality control, and communicating project status updates. Agile project management. What is Agile project management approach? What is Scrum? What does a Scrum Master do? How to apply Agile's value-driven delivery strategies, and how to coach an Agile team and help them overcome challenges. Capstone. Applying project management in the real world. Applying all concepts learned in the certification in a project. Analyzing project documents to identify project requirements and evaluate stakeholders. Make project goals. Identify tasks and milestones and document and prioritize them in a project plan. Apply Agile and make Scrum artifacts. For a more complete curriculum, access the latest Google Project Management Certificate objectives located in the description area under this video. Prerequisites for the Google Project Management Certificate. There are no prerequisites or requirements for this certification. How to prepare for the Google Project Management Certificate. Let's look at some of the best resources to prepare for this certification. SelfStudy Resources. The concepts covered in the Google Project Management Certification are both theoretical and practical. I will show you some of the best self-study resources. Books. Neither Google nor Coursera officially recommend any books for this certification, but if you want to get an in-depth understanding of project management, both at a conceptual and practical level, reading some good books is one of the best ways to learn and retain this information. Some useful books for this certification based on our research are Scrum, The Art of Doing Twice the Work in Half the Time by Jeff Sutherland, The Phoenix Project, a novel about IT, DevOps, and helping your business win, and The Art of Project Management by Scott Birkin. Links to these books can be found in the description area under this video. Video training. Video training is one of the best ways to understand the concepts and tools covered in the Google Project Management Certification. Coursera offers short videos for each concept, but you can find plenty of in-depth videos on YouTube for the important concepts involved in the certification. I would suggest you go through the Google Project Management Certification curriculum and search every concept you want to understand on YouTube. Some channels and videos we found valuable are Project Manager, Project Management Course by Edurika Tutor Ali and Izen Bridge. Instructor-led training. You can easily master the concepts you need to understand to pass the Google Project Management Certificate without any instructor-led training. If you use the Coursera material along with the self-study resources I mentioned above, there won't be any need for instructor-led training. Practice tests. Google Project Management Certification focuses on the practical aspects of managing projects instead of being a stickler for theory only. However, to complement your theoretical understanding, practice tests can be valuable. Perhaps the best way to practice is to do PMP, Project Management Professional, practice questions offered by PMI. You can find hundreds of practice tests for PMP on the internet. Some of the useful practice tests can be accessed on Prepcast, Project Management Academy, Simplilearn, and Exceller. Links to these practice tests can be found in the description area under this video. Practice labs. This certification will build a strong conceptual base for you to understand the dynamics of project management. However, the core intent of the certification is to equip you with enough skills to help you secure a project management job. To get experience using the various types of project management software, you can try using Monday.com, Jira, Asana, Redmine, Trello, Basecamp, and Microsoft Project. Make timelines, use budget estimation tools, make charts, create milestones, and explore different features of these tools. This would also give you an edge during job interviews. What jobs can you get with Google Project Management Certification? You can apply for a variety of jobs in the area of project management. Project management is going through a rapid evolution. A World Economic Forum report listed project management among the job roles that are seeing an increasing demand in the world. Some of the roles you can apply for after getting your Google Project Management certification are Project Manager, Project Coordinator, Project Assistant, Operations Manager, Operations Associate, Program Manager, Scrum Master, Project Associate, Project Analyst, Project Administrator, and Technical Project Manager. Google Project Management Certificate Salary. According to PayScale, the average salary of a project manager is about $75,000 per year. The IT project manager role is more relevant to the Google Project Manager certificate and has an average salary of about $88,000 according to PayScale. Observations from successful Google Project Management certificate holders in the industry. Here are some observations from individuals who successfully achieved the Google Project Management certificate. The truth about the Google Project Management certificate. This certification is one of the best ways to enter the IT project management industry without a degree or prior experience. However, no certification can guarantee you a job or successful career. You must prove your skills by building a portfolio and get your hands dirty by working on actual projects. Therefore, try to apply the concepts you learn in this certification. Create new projects and treat them as real projects you have to deliver. Apply key concepts like Agile, Scrum, time management, milestone creation, care creation for goal setting, and more. Is the Google Project Management certificate for you? This certification is for you if you want to enter the IT industry as a junior project manager and progress to more senior project management roles in the future. Check out the video on the right for more content to help you develop your IT career.